Hello and welcome to today's video. Fatima the Camel and I are glad to see you here. Yes, Anna and I are very excited that you are joining us today in the wonderful Southern California sunshine. Yes, we have decided to record outside today, so we apologize if the lighting is a little bit off, but it was a sunny day and we're taking advantage of it because we've missed the sun. Too much rain. Even though we need the rain. Yes, we do need the rain. What we have today is a lifestyle box, Fab Fit Fun. It's our first time trying this box. We have the spring box. Let's see if we can turn it so you can see a little bit of the box. There's the box and a very dirty door behind it. We were looking for a box to replace a lifestyle box that is having to take a little break. So we decided to jump in and try the Fab Fit Fun. And so we signed up later than usual, so our selection was a little bit smaller than what I had hoped for. But in any case, this is the spring version of Fab Fit Fun for 2023. Let's see what we got. First up is a small purse that when I saw it online, I thought it looked better than it does in person, to be honest with you. It will suffice for the event that I'm figuring I will use it at this summer, but I was expecting, or at least when I saw it online, I thought it would be a little bit bigger than what it is, and I also thought it would have a flap coming down. It does not. It has a simple closure that you just push the button through, and then inside is just one big open space. So it's not as great as I thought it was going to be, but it is what it is, and I do like this color. Yes, that is a nice spring and summertime color. And the strap is long enough that it can be a crossbody bag if I wanted it to do so. From Jonathan Alder, we got 2 glasses. And I am excited about these. I'll bring it up a little bit here. They have a nice, I guess you would call it ribbing. And I thought these would be nice to add to the pantry because there are some glasses that I've had many, many years that I think are past their prime. They just don't come clean anymore. These look very nice. I like the feel of them. They're a good weighty feel. They're not flimsy. They say you can go in the dishwasher with these, but they do recommend hand washing. I'm getting thirsty. Is there anything in there? Not yet, Fatima. Hang on. Let's get a few more things and then we'll have a snack after this video. Okay. Comment down below. Do you like these glasses? From Ahava, there is a Dead Sea Water Mineral Gel. I was pleased to kind of see this. I wasn't really looking for a lot of bath and skincare stuff, but we signed up late, so you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. This is from Ahava, and it is in the scent Sea Kissed. I've taken a sniff. I like the scent of it. I have used one of their body lotions and was very happy with it. So I am excited to get this skincare product and give it a try. From Kate Somerville, there is a goat milk cleanser. It is moisturizing. I am currently finishing off a container of this. So in some ways, like I said, I wasn't really looking for skincare and stuff, yet I know that this is a good product that I like. So I can't yell too loudly because I am excited to get to have a second one of these to continue to use it. From Jen Skin, there is a product for mask and exfoliator all in one. I have tried a couple Gen Skin products. They were both under eye masks and I enjoyed them immensely. So I'm excited to try a different product from Gen Skin. And like I said before, when I signed up, it was late in the season, so there were not many choices available. Normally, when I see a product from Earth Harbor, oh my goodness, I turn tail and run. For some reason, Earth Harbor products and I just don't get along. I don't like the scent of them. Well, surprise, 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 we found one she likes. This is Earth Harbor Azure Regenerative Neck Cream with seaweed amino acids and copper peptides. She hasn't tried it yet, but we took a sniff and it smells lovely. I was very surprised. I think I may have found my first likable, for me, Earth Harbor product. So they did not give us any values for these items. I'm sure if I looked it up online, I could find it and figure it out. I'm choosing not to at this time. I might do so for other boxes. I don't know. We did sign up for the annual plan. This was making it then $55 a box, and we did get to pick all 6 items from the choices that were available since we signed up late in the season. I am hoping that with the summer box, we have more choices. Although all things considered, even though I really wasn't looking for skincare, sorry, I keep looking up, the local hawk is flying by. I don't think he's too happy that we're filming outside today. Well, that's just tough. He's gonna have to share the outside. Easy, Camel, easy. Okay, I'll be nice. So, because we signed up, we did get to pick all 6 items, and in the long run, I think that was probably better since we signed up late in the season. I got to at least pick my 6 items. And I was surprised that the item I thought I would not like, which was from Earth Harbor, I thought that was going to be the bottom of the barrel at this box. I think that's one of the top products that I like. What did you see in this box that we got that you like? Let us know. We are nosy. We want to know. I want to know all the details. Tell us, tell us, tell us. Thank you for joining us on today's video. Like, comment. If you haven't done so already, consider subscribing. We have lots of fun adventures on this channel. I hope it is nice weather where you are, because we're enjoying the weather today as we film some videos. Oh yes, it is lovely weather. Thanks for watching, and we do hope to see you again in another video. Bye bye.